Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be learning the easiest way to design a thumbnail using AI. So follow me, let's go. So I'll be teaching you guys how to easily design a thumbnail, even if you're not good with Canva, or if you know how to use Canva, but I guarantee you this method will cut down your waiting time. So let's go. So you visit this website, VIZ Express. Yeah, this is the website I'm talking about. You go to image tools. Image tools. This is video tool. It has other functions also, like video tools. You find everything. You have audio tools. You come to image tools. It has various functions like image compress, resizer, crop, and many more. It has different functions. Yes. Alright, like I said, there are different tools: image tools, video tools, audio tools, and others, and you can use this website for various tasks depending on what you want to do. But today we'll be learning how to create a thumbnail. So go to video tools, you see thumbnail generator, click on it and allow it to open. Now I'm going to incorporate chat GTP. So I'll go to my chat GPT. I'll click it and wait for it. So I will not go through the process of generating a prompt. I will use the prompt I already generated. So I'll go to my previous, but I can still walk you through on how to generate prompts. So this is a thumbnail prompt I've generated already. So, but let me just give you a short view of what I asked. You can ask GPT to generate a video prompt for you. Then you explain what you did in there. Alright, after generating your prompt, this is just an example. You come back to the site and upload the video you want to generate thumbnail for. This is it. So you select, I'm going to be using this one. This is a video I made for Canva, for flyer using Canva. So you upload it, and this site is going to generate a custom thumbnail for you. So you wait, the percentage is still showing. As you can see here, you allow it to upload, give you some time to upload. So I'm going to pause this video and return when it's done uploading. As you can see, our upload is progressing. It's up to 79%, 80%, so we are still going to hold on. Alright, our upload is 99% now. As you can see now, it is done uploading. This is one of my videos. It is done uploading, so it will generate 4 thumbnails, like you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the video. So what the site will do, it will just scan through your video and pick out some portion. So if you don't like any of this, so this is what will happen. You now use this polished thumbnail with AI. So let's go back to my chat GPT. I've already generated prompts. Like I said, I'll guide you on how to generate the prompt. So I'll now copy the prompt here. Then I'll come back to the site. Look at where this polished thumbnail with AI. I'll paste the prompt in there and I'll click the send icon and wait for it. So while it's work, if you are finding value in this video, please don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any question or any input, you can drop it at the comment section. So our thumbnail is generating. Yeah, as you can see, our thumbnail is ready. It's ready, just using the prompt. So all you need to do is just scroll down and download the thumbnail, and it's downloaded. As simple as it is. Now, even if you don't like this thumbnail, you can still regenerate it. Okay, let me go back and regenerate a prompt for you so that you see how it is done. Okay, this is my prompt. Okay, I'll go to ChatGPT and say okay, let me see. I've already given it initial prompt, don't forget. So I'm just going to ask it to regenerate another one so that we'll see better. I don't like this thumbnail prompt. Regenerate another better one. Enter. Let's see what happens. This is a sleek modern workspace of the flyer showing colorful professional business flyer. Next is the character, blah 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 blah. These are just the prompt. So let's see. I'll copy it. I didn't have time to. I don't want this video to be lengthy, so I don't have time to be reading it, to be adjusting. But in your own case, try to read and change whatever you don't like. So I'm just going to copy it. I'll go back to that website. So this is the first one, so I'll come here again. I'll paste the second prompt. That is in the case when if you don't like the first one. So I'll now click and let's wait and see what it's going to give us. Voila, this is what it gave us. You can see for yourself. So you can make different thumbnails in 2 minutes. 2 minutes is much, so you just select which one is better. For me, the first one is better. So if you found value in this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me anytime I post any new video. Thank you very much. Till I come your way again.